Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find out who blocked us on Instagram. First I am going to show it from another profile that I block my main account from to show you how it works. Here is my account that's already blocked. I go to the other one and we try to find out who blocked us. I open another account and go into search. To find out who we are blocked from, I have to type in the name of the profile we want. If that profile doesn't show up in search or we can't get into the account, it means he blocked us. We press search and write the name of the account. I completely rewrote the name and now I know for sure that I was blocked. We see that the account is not located. After I unblock that account, I can go back to the main account and see that account is not available. If you are blocked, the profile cannot be opened. That's the easy way. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.